just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Hi guys, dito kami sa Lipaw guys. Yan, birthday ni guys, ni kapatid ko na nandito. Yan, kakain tayo. Celebrate natin ang kanyang birthday dito sa Taiwan guys. Yan sila. Hi. Hi birthday girl. Yan, kakain tayo guys. First time niya dito magbe-birthday guys sa Taiwan. Kain tayo dito. Guys, ang open nitong Lipaw is 11. Before 11 guys, nandito na kami. Kami ang nag-open ng Lipaw. Yan, ikot-ikot tayo, tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng makain. Pero nag-iisip kami guys na something seafood, ganyan. Tingnan natin dito. Tan, kay sino nyo? Look, sino nasa loob? Not the small baby. It's a big baby inside.
Ano yung kankan price?
Nani?
Kankan price. Yung pwede na yan.
Guys, wala pang tao. Kami talaga yung nag-open sa Lipaw.
Di ba ito ang ano?
We eat la before here. Oh, you rent la? You rent sila ma?
Monday to Thursday.
So guys, hot pot to eh.
558. This one. If we eat this one. 558. 558.
You rent?
Yeah. 等一下啦。
Yan, hot pot to guys. Etong hot pot dito is para siyang guys, para siyang unli ganon. Unli yung drinks, unli yung unli everything.
Oo.
And then you pay 558. Okay sa mo yung puyang price for level up.
这个 dinner and holiday. 这个是不是
Morning.
lunch.
Lunch daw to guys, 558. Tapos ito holiday. Saturday, Sunday, like that. 598 is Saturday, Sunday. Ay, 658 eh. What's that?
应该它有给你 more 那个东西。这个
Mas madaming guys, mas maraming ganyan, mas mahal ganun. Ganyan sa loob. Dami rin dito kumakain din. Yan. Yan. Ikot tayo dito.
这个 is 我给你看的Korea。
Korea. 这个新的吗？那个这个 sea line. Gusto namin try dito guys sa sea line. Bagong bukas to eh. Mga crab siya guys, ganun. Mga seafood. Ganyan. Bagong open to eh, sea line. Yan, walang tao guys. Wala pang tao. Yan kanilang menu. Like this. 这个有4啦, and then 1288 like that.
这个3 people。
Ito ang kanilang menu guys. Sea line. Yan, ito isang set na siya, 4 na dishes. Nasa 1,288 na lang siya, guys. Dati siyang 1,6660. Tapos ito, 6 na dishes na, guys. 1,888. May mga soup din. Salad. Mozzarella cheese. Mga appetizer, guys. So, ang ganito, guys, is 1,380. Isang malaki na rin na ata to, guys. Tapos ito, meron siyang malaking lobster, guys, is 2,580. Yan, may mga noodles din. May mga pasta. Pizza. Mga steak din sila, guys. Parang sarap nito, ribs. Pero mga presyohan, guys, mahal. Mahal talaga yung steak. Mga dessert din. Yung mga drinks. Guys, meron silang beer dito. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung pwede rin itong yung parang anli ganyan. Or isang cup na ganito is 160. 340 ml na siya, guys. Yan, meron silang paganito dito. Guys, dito na kami. Order tayo.
Sleepers.
Guys, alam niyo yung yung Movenpick na store din.
Go.
Din siya, same company. Itong C-Line, guys. Movenpick yung here, di ba? Sika building. Same lang, guys, eh. Itong likod na to. Dinugtong lang nila to, guys. Which one you want? Which one you want? No?
Daddy, I have a idea.
Di ba naka-3%?
Here, Baba. Baba. Here is now.
Noodles. We buy your noodles and pizza. You have pizza. You can eat pizza. Wow. Kasi,
Asan yung isa?
Sige. Kasi nagsarin nga siya 3% pa.
I wanna be your fun girl tonight. I'll take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop. Give me your touch. Give me your love. Give it some more.
guys, dito na yung food natin. We have seafood boil, beef noodles, and then this one, ano to, Ann? Chicken, barbecue, fries, we have a pizza, and then salad, guys. Vegetable salad. Guys, kain. Lagyan natin sa itan ng noodles.
Eat.
Wait.
Ito.
Kain guys. Sarap na noodles. Sarap yung noodles nila guys. Malambot yung beef. Kasi niita niya yan. Ha? Kain guys, pizza. Kahit yung pizza masarap eh. Uh-oh. To the spoon. Do you wanna watch? Do you wanna watch? Tara ah. Sarap guys. Sarap din naman ah. Yung yummy eh. Magkaitan niya ako sa dati lang. May mayroong cheese. Kaya padala. Ah, sarap. I need to mix first. Teka. So, diba? Then siyang halang. Try natin yung salad guys. Alright. Ganun? Mama? Ay, dalawa pala to. You go, you eat. Meron silang binigay na ganito guys. Yan, para makain mo ng maayos yung seafood. Ang dami yung spoon. Ay, yeah. Okay na. Sarap din ah. Sarap din yung sipod nila guys. Busog ang birthday girl. Done na kami guys. Ayan. Ubus na. Miyak si baby. Ay. Why you crying? Ha? Why you crying? Guys, done na kami. Ayan. Try nyo dito guys. Masarap din siya. Sea Line. Ayan. Ano siya guys? Same company ng Movenpick. Likod siya ng Movenpick guys. Kadugtong. Masarap din naman na. Masarap din siya guys. Kasi sa Google, naka 3-star lang sila. Siguro kasi hindi pa siya ganun ka-popular. Kasi bago lang eh, bagong open lang. Ang ganda dito guys. Likod ng Lipaw. Ha? Mag-open. Ay, hindi dito banda. Doon. Sa bandang likod. Kasi pagdating ng November, guys, pag yung pa-winter na, yung mga puno na yan, para na siyang brown. Nagpa-brown, ganon. Kaya maganda dyan pag pa-winter na. Yeah. Matatanaw ba dito ang ating bahay? Kasi guys, yung bahay natin is malapit dito sa Lipaw. Yan. Doon banda doon ang bahay natin. Tama na, let's go. Are you full, Tan? Are you full? Kasi yun si baby may ano. Kung ano yung toy, yun yung ayaw niya. Kung ano yung hindi toy, yun yung gusto niya, guys. May hawak-hawak siya, oh. Plastic. Let's go.
With toy.
Buy toy. Let's go.
Yung toy. Ayaw ang toy.
Ay, pasok pa tuloy ito, guys. Alas 4.
Tati nagatas ka.
Bye.
Bye.
Come here. Bye.
Pia, ayaw ang toy.
Kiss na ba?